Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Bethany, one busy mama, and today we have a mega unboxing. Lots of things to unbox. And they're piling up, so why don't we just get into it? If you're new, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. First up is Sasha Co. I do have a link in my description box about these bracelets to save 70%. So let's jump into it. You've seen a few of the ones that I've had. I got this one last time. I really liked that one. So let's see which one I have. And it says good vibes inside. Love that. I know that. I just run out of places to put all these things. So these are glass beads and they're handmade. So I do like the meaning behind all of it. So let's see what we got. Okay, so I got 2 orders. It looks like I got the same thing. So 3, and they're all very different. I like this royal blue. Shout out to all the people who like blue. And this one has like a rainbow effect here. And gold and black. I like that. And I did get the same exact thing because they were super inexpensive. So go check them out. I will leave it down in the description. You can go browse through all the selections of these bracelets. They have so many colors and varieties. And then this is Vanity Planet. I was watching Instagram and Stassi Schroeder from Vanderpump Rules, her and her man were talking about their new Vanity Planet. And it's skincare related items if you're not familiar. So this is my first time ordering from them. There we go. And there was a huge discount on Instagram. And this is what it looks like. And I do love to use a facial brush to cleanse my face. And it comes in this nice package. So, and we get those brush heads. So let's crack it open. Right now I'm using Olay. So, discover the beauty of you. Oh, I love the packaging. Look at that. Pretty. And it has the storage container. So here's instructions, and here's the container. Liking it already. And it has air vents right here so it doesn't get moldy. Alright, let's see. I really like it already. Well worth the price. If I remember the price, I'll show it here. So here we go. So this is the body brush. And it feels nice and soft, and it has like its own little compartment. This is the actual component. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, you gotta put batteries. I don't see any included, so. And then this looks like that silicone on the PMD cleaner. So nice massage there. And then here's a nice soft one. Look at that brush head. I usually clean them before I use them. And here's a different one. It has thicker bands on there. Oh, this is so lovely for skincare and just to treat yourself. And it's so inexpensive using that code. So this just tells you a little bit about it. So we have the Radia says face and body cleansing system, 360 head rotation, dual speed, 3 brush heads, and it's shower friendly, no cords needed, 2 AA batteries, and I like it. Self-care. Okay, moving on. Let's do the Boxycharm add-on haul. So
The Q.
the Q?
Yeah,
Oh, I have this little guy, and I have this guy right here, which is not the biggest, because you guys seen the biggest last time. But the sales were so unbeatable. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, go check out one of my Boxycharm base box and see if that's something you're interested in. All right. Sorry for all the noise. This, the Tarte Glotion Skin Perfector. Look at the packaging. Super nice. What is this about? It's very cute. So it's sealed, which is awesome. What does it do? Alone. Use alone for a healthy glow. Wear under makeup for added radiance. Oh, so it's like a moisturizer. Perfect. And I used my points with that. First time I've ever been able to use my points. And if you're interested in starting Boxycharm, I have a referral code so I can get more points. Okay, and then I got 2 of these. If you didn't see my base box unboxing, I already had one of these. So let's see if they are in the same color. So you get the cute brush, which is purple. And then this is freshly squeezed. So yeah, it is the same color. I'll show it to you, but I'm going to put it back in the packaging because this will be for a giveaway. So this is what it looks like. And that's the color with a mirror. Super cute. And so you get that with the brush. Let me see. Does it tell you? Babe tested. It doesn't tell you, but yeah, freshly squeezed. I should have just looked. So I got 2 of those and the Tarte Glotion. Can't wait to try that. And let's get into the big boy over here. So Pure Lease Watermelon. Love watermelon. Energizing makeup remover wipes. There's 30 in there. You know that's going to be amazing. More wipes. This is Yam Dead Sea Mineral and Caviar Makeup Remover. Even waterproof and waterproof mascara. That's 25 wipes. Let's see. Half Caked, which is the same brand as that blush set. Let's see, what did I get? I always forget. So same unicarton. 9 pigmented palette. Oh my god, look at how cute it is. Yes, I do love that. I don't know that I've tried anything other than like a 1 shade maybe. That's really cute. I'll have to decide. The prices were just amazing. Let's see, this looks like another palette here. The baby palette. Oh, it's Lala Beauty. You know, I like her palettes. So for the neutral girl, I like it. So the baby palette. I don't have this one. Give them Lala. It has some dust over there. Ooh, these are some deep, nice fall shades. So you have like the wine colors here. I like this one. Yes. Give them Ocean. Ocean is her baby girl. Ocean eyes. Aww. I like it. Just because I like babies. So I'm definitely keeping that. I believe these were $9. And ordinarily, I think her palettes run $40, which I couldn't pay, but $9, I'll pay that. So this one, and then I got the other Lala Beauty. Oh, this is Reality Show. I don't have this one either. And this is the newer packaging. Let's check it out. Simple, but I love it. Ooh, she threw in a green shade right there. So you have always a transition shade, which I really like. She swears, I'm shook, spill the tea, clap back, the pasta. Yes, I remember that episode. Get it poppin', cuddle buddy. I really do like this. But I'm not sure if I want to keep this. I'm not sure. But I really like it. I just like the simplicity. All right, so here's another one, the Grown Woman. I already got that one. If you guys want to see the colors, I'll show you. But I did already get this one in my box. I think it was last month. So again, yes, look at those neutrals and some pops of orange. Oh, I can't wait to do a look with this because that's some fall vibes right there. Although you could probably wear it all year. So I'm gonna put that back. So that'll be for a giveaway. And then what did I get? Another Reality Show. And then I got another Grown Woman. Telling you it was good deals. And then I got another, which one was this? Snack pack from Half Cake. That was so cute. Oh my gosh. And then the Creme Shop Cover Story Full Coverage Concealer. I haven't tried their stuff. Look at the little peekaboo. Lightweight, liquid, non-comedogenic. So it says full cover, and it's in the color light. I know you can find the Creme Shop at CVS. Whatever. That's how it looks. Oh, smiley face. Oh, it's a wand. I was surprised. So I can't wait to try that. I mean, it says light, so should work. All right, that's for me. And then what is this? Ray. Oh, I've seen these at Target and I've never bought them. So this is Ray Refresh. Support youthful skin, cellular rejuvenation. It's a dietary supplement. There's 30 of them. 30-day supply, 60 capsules. Vitamin A, E, hyaluronic acid, grapeseed, and resveratrol. Cool. Can't wait to try that. Let's see what they look like, because we all want to know. Okay, packaging. Oh, all right. I like the simplicity, man. I gotta look up on that. Find out when to take it. Oh wait, got the insert. Shine from within. Hashtag shine from within. Yes. Okay. So what is this? Another Creme Shop. Another concealer. Lightweight. Must have been real cheap. And then we got the Exotic Peacock. I love peacock colors. This is from Pinky Rose. I swear I got this before. Is this not pretty? Or is it pretty? This is really pretty. Like, I can see some neutral. But, oh man, those are pretty. Those are really pretty. I gotta go through and see what I have. Starting to become an addict. But whatever I don't use, I will put away for giveaways, and then some to go on Macari. So this is the last one, Pinky Rose here. Ooh, Earth Hue. Look at the packaging. Yeah, the same. It looks like a book. Oh, wow. Look at that. No mirror. These are earth hues. Oh my gosh. There's like some dust here from one of the shades. But very sexy. It's like a plum. Look at Raven. You got a green here. You have some very neutral colors. Oh, I gotta think about that. I really do. Because I'm a really neutral girl, to be honest. And I love to do colors. But I gotta think about this one. Okay, so that was my Boxycharm add-ons. Last but not least is the one that gets me every time. Bath and Body Works. And it was just delivered today. And look, they already sent me some coupons. So, let's see. What deals did I get, y'all? The most expensive thing I paid was $15. No, it wasn't. They were $7.50. The original price is $15. Okay. Because I had a discount code and some sale items. All right. So these are always my favorite. You guys jumped off ship. Okay. So what did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Because I don't like to run out. I have a problem with that. So I got Laundry Day, which, let's see what the scent notes are. Fresh Air, Crisp Eucalyptus, and Soft Lavender. Then we have Lakeside Morning, the blue one. That is Crisp Air, Driftwood, and Fresh Green Apple. Mahogany Teakwood is one of my favorites. To me, it smells like cologne. It's Rich Mahogany, Black Teakwood, Dark Oak, and Frosted Lavender. And then 'Tis the Season, you know, because Christmas is coming. Rich Red Apple, Sweet Cinnamon, and Cedarwood. Who else is here? We got another Mahogany Teakwood. Sweater Weather, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, Fresh Fall Morning. Hey, and we got some more. Spiced Cranberry Toffee is purple. Pumpkin Spice Latte. Fresh Fall Morning, and Laundry Day again. And then I got one of these, which I think I got this for $7. Just another one. I usually have themes, you know, like a snowman or fall. Actually, that reminds me I need to put the fall one out. But pretty good haul. What do you guys think? What was your favorite item? And what do you like to haul? Let me know down in the comments. I just got so much stuff to work with here. And as usual, guys, stay safe. And until the next time, bye.